I'm going to start replacing cell battery of a VX6300 recorder. There are two screws to remove here. Push the meter head forward. Because it's two hooks on the bezel, there are two posts. So just snap onto these two posts. Remove the ribbon cable. Remove the 4 screws here. Install the front panel. The battery of the bottom mainboard is on the mainboard. Pull up the mainboard. This battery, pry off the battery, replace it with a new one, and install it. Install the mainboard into the slots. The bottom 2 slots are for installing the mainboard. So you install it all the way to the bottom. Install the front panel. Install the 4 screws. Connect the ribbon cable to the mainboard. Snap it in place. Secure it with 2 screws. And that is it.